Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Git on Windows with Chocolatey, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have administrative access to your Windows machine. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Chocolatey website by typing chocolatey.org in the address bar. Locate the installation instructions on the Chocolatey homepage. Highlight the command provided under the Install Chocolatey section. Copy the command to your clipboard. Press the Windows key on your keyboard. Type CMD to search for the command prompt. Right-click on command prompt in the search results and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, right-click and select Paste to insert the copied command. Press Enter to execute the command. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once Chocolatey is installed, it's time to install Git. In the same command prompt window, type Choco install Git and press Enter. Chocolatey will begin downloading and installing Git for you. Monitor the installation progress in the command prompt. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation message. To verify that Git has been installed correctly, type Git version in the command prompt. Press Enter to execute the command. You should now see the installed version of Git displayed on your screen. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Git on Windows using Chocolatey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.